The concept of a simple vegan lifestyle emerged in response to growing environmental concerns, health consciousness, and ethical considerations regarding animal welfare and food production practices. Initially rooted in early 19th century, vegetarianism movements that emphasized the moral implications of consuming meat and promoting plant-based nutrition for improved human health. It gradually evolved into an inclusive approach advocating for a minimalistic diet, free from animal products while also reducing resource consumption and waste. By the late 20th century, with increasing awareness around climate change linked to agricultural practices, the simple vegan lifestyle gained traction as part of broader sustainability efforts. Key developments include the founding of organizations like Vegan Society in Britain, 1944, promoting ethical eating alongside environmental stewardship, followed by influential figures advocating for a reduction in meat consumption worldwide. Major turning points were the release of documentaries such as Forks Over Knives and academic research linking vegan diets to reduced risks of various diseases, while also highlighting positive impacts on water usage and biodiversity conservation. Societies have reported measurable improvements in diet quality, with studies showing reductions in saturated fat intake and increases in fiber consumption among simple vegans, contributing to better overall health outcomes. However, this dietary shift has faced challenges related to costs for some populations due to higher food prices associated with specialty produce and specialized products. Over time, the impact of a simple vegan lifestyle on global economies and industries varied. While sectors like retail grocery sales saw declines in meat-related categories, others like plant-based food manufacturing experienced robust growth. Looking forward through 2050, projections suggest that continued consumer preference for sustainable options will drive even further innovation within agricultural practices, packaging technologies, and dietary education programs aimed at fostering more informed and varied choices among global populations. To optimize future projections, it is recommended that governments and international organizations collaborate to support research into cost-effective alternatives and infrastructural changes necessary for widespread adoption of vegan diets, while also prioritizing equitable access to resources in different regions globally